What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a bit of a rundown on the Fantom FTM ecosystem as well as a price prediction. Can you believe it? Pepe has made his way back to the top as he retests all-time highs too. But yeah, we're going to check out FTM Fantom today on this particular video because it was an OG back in the the last crypto bull run, and it did some crazy stuff where we had some fantastic total value locked. But we can see right now the TVL has tumbled all the way back down to around 345 million, which was the sort of price that we saw leading up to the parabolic bull run. So is this coin undervalued? I think it needs to make some major partnerships and acquisitions in order to grow more, but we could effectively see good things happen. We can also see the fees on this ecosystem have dropped tremendously, which could also reflect another bearish factor, which means basically there might not be much user adoption at the moment. Maybe not many people are just using the ecosystem, and that's obviously not a good thing. But yeah, looking at the particular TVL, we can see the majority is coming from some chains here like Spooky Swap. We've got Geist Finance. Going back to TVL over here, yeah, it does look a bit bearish in my opinion, but in times of bearishness you have to be bullish. You've got to have that contrarian mindset. So looking at FTM, well, the overall spectrum of the crypto market, we can see we're sitting at a $1.2 trillion market. So Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping, altcoins are all pumping in synergy right now, and the markets are looking pretty good. So not bad, it's not bad. Fantom today is 44 cents. It did move by 7% and 5% up against Bitcoin with a $1.2 billion market capitalization. So the last year, it's been helter-skelter. We've seen very mid-range 20s to the very depths of Mordor of 17 cents. That is bad. That is bad. But if you bought it at that particular price, and if you took advantage of the extreme fear, you'd be like 2.5x right now. So it really makes sense. Year to date, pump from 20 up to a high of 63 cents, and now we're coming back down in price. So it's interesting to really see what's going on. I do think it's very unlikely we'll see this coin retest $3 plus, but I do think there's a good chance we could see at least $1.50 to $2 again by the next crypto bull run, and possibly more. Who actually knows what will truly happen? Market cap here was 8 billion, but remember the supply of the coin was also less. That's also one thing to look at. In terms of adoption, we were just talking about that. I mean, if we look 20th of April, that's like a good 2 weeks ago. 108,000 holders, and currently there's only 150 more, so nobody's really buying this coin at the moment, and that's quite sad to see. On a side note, if you are looking for some hot trading signals, I do have a Patreon package down below where you can get access to some hot, juicy trading signals that are in the Discord. There's already 458 people taking advantage of this, and we have different packages that you can select depending on what benefits you wish to have in your package, as little as $10 a month. So go sacrifice that Wendy's and a pint of Stella and grab yourself some trading signals. This is a little sneak peek of how they look in the Discord server. We have seven technical, is that the word? Technical analysts. Yes, it is. We have 7 of those guys in the Discord down below. Just to give you a sneak peek, this is how the signals look on the left hand side. We've also got pre-sales, staking, DeFi, other cool partnerships that you can explore. Overall, I think what I'm trying to say is just get yourself into the fastest growing Discord server down below. We've got over 10,000 members. Usually we have like 1,000 active people every day. Anyhow, going back to Fantom, what is actually going on? What is their consensus? What is their objective at the moment? It's the fast and scalable next gen layer 1, and it's sad to see this coin kind of just nosedive into nothingness because it was a great ecosystem. It just had a few political errors, the logistics wasn't great, but we've got so many dApps deployed on this particular thing. So when we're back in full bull market mode, when we're getting all the developers creating more dApps, everything's hot again, I do imagine that we could see some upside potential for this particular coin. I mean, there's so many great platforms that are on Fantom. 200 plus dApps already deployed, so one day it's going to be much more, but as we can see at the moment, the on-chain data is suggesting that not many people are using this ecosystem. Even looking at the Twitter, not a great deal is happening right now because not many people are using these dApps like they were before in the crypto bull runs, where basically every coin was doing a 10 to 100x. We're not seeing it right now, and it's a sad thing, but it's worth doing a bit of research on Fantom, guys, in my opinion. it still is an OG crypto that could surprise many holders in the market. Now, looking at Bitcoin very, very quickly, we can see there's an interesting bit of work happening right now. We're trying to retest this 29.2k major resistance level, and we need to break through fast. Now, what I can tell you about this weekly candle, looking at that, that's a classic bullish candle. Look at the size of that thing. The wick here suggests so much buying pressure from the bulls. Hopefully we can actually see a breakthrough of 29.3k, and a speculation I have in mind that we might see Bitcoin hit very, very soon is about $32,400. So there's another price prediction we've got going on. But yeah, let me know what you think. Are you buying the Fantom coin? Are you avoiding this one? Are you looking at other pumpers in the market? I mean, when we look on the side here, some interesting coins. I mean, we've got Tamadoja up, we've got Hex up, we've got Chili's. Very, very interesting market right now, and it's hard to say if it's going to boil down, you know, if it's going to crash by 20% or continue pumping by 20%. It's very, very interesting right now. Anyhow, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You are now up to date with the crypto market. Make sure you do get yourself down into the Discord below, and also use my special links down below to explore other pre-sales, not financial advice, and also have a look at the Bybit sign up for some exclusive rewards. And take care. Bye for now, guys.